Hi beautiful people, as I mentioned in my last video, I'm going to be showing you how I make the super anti-aging serum. Yes, it is very easy to make by yourself. I don't buy expensive serums anymore. This is more than enough. It does an amazing job and it's very efficient for getting beautiful skin. Have you watched my last video about MSM for anti-aging? If you haven't, I highly recommend to watch it first. Okay, we need glass jug, distilled water, glass amber spray bottle, vitamin C powder, measurement spoon, and MSM powder. And don't forget sanitizing the tools. You can also use different bottle. The amber color is UV resistant, ideal for protecting light-sensitive ingredients such as vitamin C to maintain their beneficial properties. Also, it is non-toxic.
Some vitamin C products don't dissolve in water.
So when you purchase vitamin C powder, please contact seller to make sure it dissolves in water 100%. Also, please double check it is a pharmaceutical grade. Researchers show high strength of vitamin C and MSM, 10% or higher is effective and beneficial for skin. Super Serum is made with 15% vitamin C and 15% MSM. All good. Vitamin C penetrates skin better at pH about 3.5 or lower. Let's try it out. Can you imagine what this could do to your skin? So all you have to do is just spray all over your face and neck after cleansing. Best to use it before applying your favorite facial moisturizer. You can also mix with moisturizer. Applying MSM with vitamin C serum, I call it Super Serum, will benefit your skin in many ways. Because of its positive association with collagen, it actually fights against wrinkles by decreasing the breakdown of collagen. MSM is a natural sulfur compound that contributes to healthy skin, hair, and nail. Your skin look and feel years younger by getting rid of age spots and wrinkles and tighten sagging skin. Improve skin texture. This gives your skin a clear surface which creates a useful glow as well. Using this powerful serum, you can have a fresher, younger looking skin. Thank you for watching again. You have a beautiful day. 감사합니다.